Good day guys, welcome back to the channel. So to those of you that are yet to subscribe, click on the subscribe button, like, share. So let's see what we'll be expecting on our gold for the day. I told you that gold will definitely give us the bullish move, right? This is the bullish move God has given us. Reason was that why we were expecting a bullish move was that this was our lower low. And here is the lower high. Gold eventually gave us a new lower low. And I told you that a lower high is what we should be expecting next. Now that God has given us that lower high, our next movement is another lower low. So you can open, especially for swing traders, you can open, drop, and let's see if we can get new lower low. That should be giving us about 500 plus pip. I mean, on gold, we have the potential of catching about 500 pip or more on gold. So this is where you can now start making sell. Let's see what market does next. Once market give us the movement, I'm going to give you guys an update on what market will be doing next. So subscribe, stay